Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. In today's video, this is going to be a fun one. Let's talk about how your zodiac sign affects your home decor style. So we're going to talk about each sign and, according to experts, the home decor style or design style that they prefer the most. Go ahead and drop your zodiac sign in the comments and let me know if your sign correlates to the design style that we'll talk about in the video. All right, let's get into it. Aquarius, vintage and eclectic. Embrace your love for eccentricity and defying norms, Aquarius. Now, your taste leans towards imaginative design with just a little bit of nostalgia. So picture unconventional floor plans, cabinets filled with knickknacks and curiosities, and playful pattern combinations that may seem bustling and busy, but somehow for you create a harmonious vibe. Additionally, be on the lookout for vintage and antique treasures. Items that may not have a specific function but will undoubtedly bring you daily joy. For all you Aquariuses out there, let me know if you are drawn to this style. Pisces, you are up next, and it states that your sign is drawn to calming and coastal. Immersed in dreamy emotions and with a deep love for the ocean, Pisces women and men yearn for a home environment that really exudes calming and breezy vibes, complemented by, of course, nautical elements. So opt for natural woven rugs, embrace white linen, and incorporate cotton in serene, watery blue tones. The result? A tranquil, zen-like sanctuary that feels like a genuine escape for you. Hey Aries, you are drawn to streamlined and industrial. Mirroring your unwavering and determined character, your living space showcases a deep admiration for the strength of warrior people. Fueled by the passionate energy of your fire sign, you naturally gravitate towards materials forged in the furnace, such as iron and steel. Equally vital is an aesthetic that resonates with your perpetually active mindset. So picture raw woods, exposed concrete, and accents like black or metal piping. So Taurus, you are rustic and romantic. As an earth sign deeply connected to nature, you find an attraction to authentic, unassuming materials like rustic wood and untreated stone. But your appreciation for the beautiful is equally as apparent. Just as you balance your steadfast qualities and generous spirit in your personal life, your home should embody a captivating blend of form and function. For instance, a beautiful study adorned with an abundance of fresh flowers and lush greenery. It's all about the yin and the yang with you. Gemini, you are drawn to modern farmhouse. Hey there, Gemini. You know those Saturday nights when you're torn between a house shoe and a stiletto? Are you staying home or going in? Well, that same sense of duality shines through in your home style as well. It's no surprise that you effortlessly blend the charm of old-fashioned farmhouse vibes, think glass cabinets and porcelain sinks, with the sleekness of modern sophistication, featuring chrome appliances and trendy open shelving. It's really the best of both worlds, just like your personality. And here's a bonus, much like you, the modern farmhouse style is a crowd pleaser, earning the title of the most popular home decor style in 2017. So for the Cancers watching this video, a quiet night in is pure bliss. That's why cozy hygge is your perfect home design style. Much like the hermit crab in your namesake, you revel in creating a tranquil, homely haven. This naturally positions you as the perfect enthusiast for the Scandinavian concept of hygge, otherwise known as the art of coziness. Picture layers of plush, comfortable textiles. Nothing overly ornate, though. Abundant natural light and bookshelves overflowing with your cherished collection of well loved titles. Nothing left to do but to embrace the serenity. Leo the lion is bold and exotic. When a Leo strides into a space, their presence is impossible to ignore. The same boldness carries over to a room designed by a Leo, leaving subtlety at the door. With an exuberant, hot-tempered, and outspoken nature, Leo-inspired interiors boast an exotic flair. Think really bold, striking animal prints, vibrant hues, and attention-commanding statement pieces. If you're a fan of beige and blah, you might want to sit this one out. Leo's design arena is all about embracing the extraordinary. Okay, Virgo, step to the mic because I'm going to tell you all about your modern minimalism. Now, with a pragmatic and perfectionistic approach, you hold the title of the ultimate organizer in the Zodiac. Your analytical nature naturally gravitates towards the allure of sleek minimalism and chic sophistication. Now, your home reflects your selective, maybe meticulous choices, serving as both inspiration and a bit of a puzzle for your hoarder families and friends. I know your maximalist friends almost cringe when they come to your house. Take a leap beyond neutral tones and consider embracing some captivating art pieces to infuse warmth into your space, striking the perfect balance between cozy and modern. So Libra, let's talk about why you love Nouveau Mid-Century. So you are radiant, steady, and adored by everyone. Libra's interior aesthetic finds its perfect match in the timeless mid-century modern style of the 50s and 60s. Much like the equilibrium of the Zodiac scales, this style is a genuine celebration of balance. Opt for the inviting warmth of hardwoods like teak and rosewood, complemented by accents in gold or even bronze. I love bronze. Embrace sleek lined furniture that not only showcases your expansive, joyful home, but also mirrors your agreeable and harmonious personality. Now here's one I don't know if I 100% agree with, but Scorpios, apparently your chosen style is that of shabby chic. Now I know that you are one of the most mysterious signs in the zodiac, and you exude a captivating intensity that's actually really cool. But beneath that exterior lies incredible depth and a sweetness that adds to a unique charm, which is why they say that shabby chic is your design style of choice. Now, it also states that much like your nature, this weathered style, defined by distressed country woods and embracing fabrics, hints at more than meets the eye. The vibe that it emanates is carefree, effortless, and emotionally resonant, which mirrors the complex layers of your personality. Now, it also states that this is more so towards Scorpio women, and Scorpio men tend to lean more so industrial. So I found that very interesting as well. Now, Sagittarius, you know I could not forget about you and your global bohemian style home. Full of vibrancy, free-spirited energy, and an unwavering sense of individualism, you embody the true essence of a bohemian. As the ultimate nomad in the zodiac, global accents ranging from mudcloth textiles to kilim rugs and bone-inlaid tables are your absolute passion. Fueled by your insatiable wanderlust, commitment may not be your strong suit, so it's essential to design your home in a way that embraces change. Consider flexible floor plans and art that can be easily swapped out to ensure your space remains dynamic and never feels stagnant or overwhelming for you. And now, last but not least, my favorite, my sign, Capricorn. We have neo-traditional or transitional, which is a style that I have talked to you about a lot because I tell you it's one of my favorite styles. Now, Capricorns are very pragmatic and have a no-nonsense approach to personal matters, and that seamlessly extends to a home aesthetic defined by a clear appreciation for symmetry, balance, and organization. That is so me. Embracing a traditional style characterized by refined furniture, timeless patterns, and tasteful colors aligns perfectly with our inherent need for color. Now, as the most determined sign in the zodiac, we fearlessly venture into new territory, such as a mirrored backsplash in a shaker-style kitchen, always within the context of ease and things being familiar to us. Alright friends, so let me know down below, did your zodiac sign match your style as described in this video? Why or why not? And what is your sign? I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, check out one of these and I will see you in the next one. Bye friends!